Welcome to the Bounce and More concrete block video for all of our high peak marquee tents. For setup and installation, for every concrete block you will need one gray block and roll strap and one white strap with the ratchet. Blocks are only going to be used on concrete or grass surfaces that the customer does not want us to stake into. On one side of the concrete block there is a hook on the bottom, which will be the closest to the leg, and on the other side is flat, which is going to be away from the legs. When using the block and roll dolly, all you have to do is put the fork through the block to be able to move it around much easier. When positioning the block, you want the hook to be as close to the leg as possible, making for our gray strap easy to connect. All you have to do with this gray strap is tighten it down, ratchet a few so it has good tension on the bottom of the block, keeping the leg from moving. And then for our white strap, we'll want to hook it to the top of our tent, locking it in. And on the other side to the top of the concrete block through the D-ring. Tension it down. And then always make sure you clean up your straps so it doesn't look like a mess at setup. And that's how you use the concrete blocks for our high peak marquee tents.